guys, so you guys know we recently went for a family trip to Kasauli and Chandigarh, and we started from Noida, and our first halt was at Gulshan Ka Dhaba. We stopped to have our breakfast. We left early in the morning around 7:38ish. So we reached here in around 1.5 hours, and we had yummiest parathas with the family. So it was a nice beginning of the day. So we started off having a nice heavy yummy breakfast, and then of course we clicked a few family pictures. And then we headed towards Chandigarh, and just before Zirakpur there is a Verka's factory outlet, and when we used to stay in Ambala we always used to stop here, have Verka ka flavored milk, kulfi, and it is so yum. And this time we also tried the new edition kheer, and it was so yum. And then we headed to Chandigarh, reached home, had dinner, spent time with the family. Say hi!
Hi!
Hi Manat! So next morning we all headed to Chhatbir Zoo, since we've seen the other places, but Deepak had not been to Chhatbir Zoo yet. So all of us cousins in one car, and the elders in another car. So we all had a lot of fun en route Chhatbir. It was really nice. And then we headed to Chhatbir Zoo. But sadly, half of it was shut down. A lot of things like the nocturnal animals you could not visit. A lot of part of Chhatbir was shut down due to COVID, and also it was really warm at that time. So probably that could also be the reason why half of it was shut down. So if at all you're planning, do call them up and check, because a lot of their parts are shut down. But otherwise it's really beautiful. You can go enjoy the scenic beauty. We saw some animals, like we saw the hippo, we saw the bear enjoying the water. So it was a nice fun trip, and we clicked a lot of photos with the family. And thereafter, from there we headed to the Government Art and Science Museum in Chandigarh. And believe me, you guys, it is a must visit gem of Chandigarh, because they have fossils from the era of dinosaurs. I mean, they have dinosaur fossils, they have dinosaur eggs, and they have variety of paintings. Now photography was not allowed inside, so I do not have any pictures to show you from the museum, but the place as such is really beautiful. And by that time the weather became really nice, so we clicked a lot of photos. It was a good time spent, and then we headed back home, had food, enjoyed time with the family. And next morning we celebrated Malika's birthday. Honey, happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
Woo, honey, so after the celebration we clicked a few family pictures, and then we headed towards Kasauli. On the way there are two places. One is Pinjore Garden and another is Timber Trail, which you shouldn't miss at all. Pinjore Garden was built by Aurangzeb during his initial days, and it is a Mughal garden. It's beautiful. You can see the architecture. It's all Mughal architecture. It's really beautiful. And luckily on the day we went, it was not very hot. The weather was rainy, and it was very pleasant. So we did make a lot of reels. We shot the entire place. It was a beautiful place. You can always come along with your family for a picnic in this place. It's beautiful. We loved this place. It's so beautiful. And I think I went to Pinjore Garden when I was like 10 or 12 years old. So it's been ages. So we all enjoyed here. And from here we headed towards Kasauli. We had to give a skip to Timber Trail because we were getting really late. We spent around 45 minutes here, so we thought of giving it a miss and heading to Kasauli directly. Also on the way it started raining, so we wanted to first reach our homestay and then go to the any other place. So the journey to Kasauli was beautiful. The scenic beauty was so beautiful. It was all hills, and the weather was so amazing. When we started, it wasn't raining. It was really pleasant. But by the time we reached Kasauli, it started raining, and it started raining heavily. Also, guys, if you're going to any place in Himachal, you must have either both the vaccines of COVID done and a proof handy, or you must have your COVID negative report. And once we reached Kasoli, we did some family pictures on the way, and when we finally reached our cottage, and because we are a family of around 11-12, so we thought it's better to book a cottage for ourselves. So we had booked a homestay cottage, and it was so beautiful. I mean, it was so green, so lush, and the service was really nice. We had booked a cottage in Mahal Farms, and it's really beautiful property. You guys can see the moment you enter, it's so green, it was so beautiful, and the weather was like amazing. The cottage which we stayed in was Lily Cottage, although we wanted a cherry cottage because it's a 3-room cottage. So we had not been able to book it because it was already booked. So we got a Lily Cottage, which is a 2-room cottage, and we also got one single room cottage below it. So we managed it this way, and it was fine because we only retreated to the room just to sleep. Otherwise, we were always having fun together in the drawing room or in the back space. You guys can see the bathrooms, the rooms, all are very nicely done. There's a good space for around 12-13 people. And East End is the single room which was just below our cottage, and the homestay people were really considerate to give us 3 extra beds as well for my cousins and Honey as well. So the view was really nice. You guys can see the view is really beautiful, and also the resort is pet friendly, and they also have a TT room, so in case you want to play TT or some games and all, they do have them. And by evening we were in full swing to celebrate the birthday. The whole family was chilling. We were blowing the balloons. We had our own chai and everything. On the way we bought a few things. So we were all chilling, enjoying, and getting all set for Malika's birthday. And then by evening we had a bonfire because the weather by night was slightly chilly. It was cool, so we all wore our jackets as well, and it was nice, good fun with the family. And we ordered a few snacks and had good fun, and finally it was time for Malika's birthday. Happy birthday, honey! Happy birthday, honey! We love you so much! You were born in the zoo with monkeys and donkeys. Happy birthday, honey! Wish you happy Nag Panchami! So after the birthday celebrations, we all resorted to our rooms, rested for a while, and next day we headed to the Mall Road. Now they also had a church over there, but for some reason it was closed, so we couldn't go there. But we went to the Mall Road to have breakfast, and you can find various shops and eateries around that area. So we had some thupka and had the local meal. And you really have to be careful of the monkeys over there. They hop around. And from there we headed to Barro. And on the way we decided to buy some apples as well.
गोल्डन और दूसरे दोनों 12 किलो की पेटी है। कितने की? 950 रुपए की पड़ेगी आपको। 950 की 12 किलो की पेटी। और दूसरा वो 1150 रुपए की पड़ेगी। 1150। एप्पल बढ़िया होगा, ताजा है, देख लो। कहां का? किनौर का आ गया।
After apples, we moved ahead and bought apple juice as well. Now over here they have a variety of cherry, apple and pears and whatnot. They have like a variety of juices, wines. So we stopped, we bought some pure apple juice and it was so tasty and yummy.
प्योर है ना?
इसमें चीनी भी नहीं है, प्योर एकदम। इसको पैक कर दो, आप लिफाफे में दे दो। Barrog is like around 2.5-3 hours from Kasoli. So once we reached Barrog, we had to cross this tunnel, and this is not the famous haunted tunnel. This was just a tunnel on the way to Barrog, and it was a very beautifully made tunnel. So we just made a small video of the route. And once we reached Barrog, we got to know the tunnel and the temples and everything was closed. There was just one temple where we went, and again photography was not allowed, so we don't have pictures of that. But once on the way, it again became rainy and the weather became really nice, and we could see clouds from our window as well, so you guys can see the clouds, and it was so beautiful. The scenic beauty of this place is worth going. It's just a beautiful place, and the weather is so amazing over there. So after we reached, on the way we clicked some more pictures. We stopped at some beautiful site, and we bought a cake from Mall Road, and it was time for Malika's birthday celebration. So we again cut a cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, honey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh. Happy birthday.
So after the celebration, we decided to have dinner and play some cards and Uno, and then we all resorted to our rooms to rest. And then next morning was a beautiful sunny day, so we thought of checking out the trail behind the resort, and you guys can see this beautiful road and the trail, and it was beautiful. And then it was time to go back, but luckily the day was really sunny, and it was a bright and a beautiful day. And we had a breakfast in the resort itself, made a few more reels, clicked pictures of each other, and the family pictures as well. And then finally it was time to say goodbye to this beautiful stay. And if you wish to visit this place, I will give a link in my description box below, so you guys can book this. It's a beautiful stay place, and the service was really good. And then we all headed from here back home, but of course we missed one thing, and that was Pahado Wali Maggie. So we decided to stop on the way and have Pahado Wali Maggie. Obviously we cannot miss that. So we looked for a nice place which was having scenic beauty as well, and we finally found a place. We made some reels, clicked pictures, had yummiest Maggie. This place had a really beautiful view, so we enjoyed the view like anything. And then finally it was time to say goodbye to Kasauli until next time. And we headed back towards Noida. My mama mami left towards Chandigarh, and we came down to Noida. On the way, of course, for lunch we stopped at Amrik Sukhdev and reached Noida around 8ish, and it was an amazing trip. Do like and subscribe to our channel.